Welcome to an exciting new video, where we dive into the fascinating world of micro screw gauges. Today, we'll be explore A screw gauge is an instrument that is used to measure small lengths with accuracy greater than a vernier caliper. It is designed to measure dimensions in the range of 0 to 25 mm with an accuracy of up to 0.01 mm. The micrometer screw gauge is called so because it uses a screw mechanism to make extremely accurate measurements up to 0.01 millimeters. Micro screw gauges are used in a variety of applications where precision measurements are required. They are commonly used in engineering, manufacturing, and scientific research. Some of the applications of micro screw gauges include machining. Micro screw gauges are used to measure the diameter of drill bits, reamers, and other cutting tools used in machining. They are also used to measure the thickness of parts, such as gears and bearings, during the manufacturing process. Quality control. Micro screw gauges are used to verify the dimensions of components and finished products in quality control processes. This ensures that products meet the required specifications and are of high quality. Scientific research. Micro screw gauges are used in scientific research to measure the size of microorganisms, cells, and other small structures. This helps scientists to understand the properties and behavior of these structures. Micro screw gauges come in different types to cater to specific measurement needs. Three main types of micro screw gauges are external screw gauges, internal screw gauges, depth screw gauges. External screw gauges, also known as micrometer calipers, are used to measure the outside diameter of an object. The device consists of a frame, anvil, and spindle. To measure the diameter of an object, the anvil is placed against one end of the object, and the spindle is turned using a thimble or ratchet mechanism until it contacts the other end of the object. The distance between the anvil and spindle is then measured on the scale to determine the diameter of the object. Internal screw gauges, also known as internal micrometers, are used to measure the inside diameter of an object. The device consists of a tubular frame with a spindle and anvil. To measure the inside diameter of an object, the anvil is placed inside the object, and the spindle is turned using a thimble or ratchet until the measuring face contacts the inside surface of the object. The distance between the anvil and spindle is then measured on the scale to determine the inside diameter of the object. Depth screw gauges, also known as depth micrometers, are used to measure the depth of a hole or recess in an object. The device consists of a frame with a spindle and anvil. To measure the depth of a hole or recess, the anvil is placed at the bottom of the hole or recess, and the spindle is turned using a thimble or ratchet until the measuring face contacts the surface of the object. The distance between the anvil and spindle is then measured on the scale to determine the depth of the hole or recess.
Like, share, and subscribe our channel, SKW. We will try our best to give simple and effective educational information via the use of the best animation.